As far as I know, I have taken paracetamol for 3 days, and before sleep, citizen I have taken. Don't know why I'm not feeling well.
If you have a lot of cold, then only go for cetirizine. Hopefully, you'll get better soon.
And if not, I can take this medicine for 2 days. Am I right, ma'am?
If you know everything yourself, then why have you come here?
Huh?
You only should have taken care of yourself, no?
I didn't meant that.
Take this.
Yeah,
Meet me
yeah,
after a
sure.
couple of days.
I am going. Thank you, ma'am. Bye, 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 bye.
Next patient, please.
Token number 99.
Your name, please.
Santoshan.
Age.
You guess what is my age? Ah,
What is wrong with you?
I want a new heart, doctor.
Are you making fun of me? Tell me what is your problem.
I'm very serious. I just want one heart because this my heart. It doesn't even let me sleep. Can I replace my this heart because I want a new heart?
This is a mental hospital case. Leave it. But interesting. So listen, Santosh. This joy and sorrow is a part of everyone's life. But for that, nobody can change their heart. But for your heart issue, it can be taken care of. There's nothing to feel worried about. With time, everything will take care of itself.
Good philosophy. I like philosophy very much. But you know what? But this philosophy is good until I'm good. By the way, my name is not Santosh. It's Santosham. You can call me Santosham instead of Santosh. It will be good. If I not call you doctor and call you Anju, then how you will react?
Okay, you can call me Manju. Even I like that.
Okay.
Listen, you leave.
Yes, doctor.
Santoshan, why are you looking so sad? There must be some reason, right? You can share if you want to.
There is no such reason, doctor. Anju, leave this thing. There's nothing special. Maybe I love someone. So that's why I'm in this condition. I don't know what happened, doctor. You also know that. How suddenly kids laugh and suddenly gets crying. It feels like that.
That's fine. But there could be some reason, right? Any family issue? Tell me the truth, please. Wife, girlfriend, or...
Only mom and dad are there in family. I don't get married, so I don't have a wife nor a girlfriend.
Oh, you are single and ready to mingle. Probably that's the reason, right? Santoshan, in this age, it happens with everyone. And happening this is a very normal thing. Depression, to feel like this is a very normal thing. These are mind games. Nothing more than that. Understood? Take my mind, you get married. You'll feel better then. Also, your health will be fine. Understood? And you'll also get physical support. And this will be very beneficial for you. And emotional support is also important for humans, right?
Anju, maybe you're married. You have a husband who loves you, right? You love someone and someone loves you back. It's a big thing, right? But how long? How long will I keep on loving only? Everything has an expiry date. I will not get involved. I will not get married. I know the feeling of heartbreaking. But I have suffered a lot, Anju. Now I don't want to suffer. So I want a new heart. That's why I came here. Now tell me, what should I do? Should I die or live?
Ultimate mental. It's too late now, Santosh. You leave now, come tomorrow.
Okay.
Tomorrow we'll have your complete body checkup and then I'll send you your reports.
Whatever the result of checkup, I want a new heart.
Leave now, come tomorrow.
Okay? Okay.
Oh dear girl, it's too much now. Are nothing, just talking to my boyfriend. Acha, listen, tell me one thing. How do all the boys understand whether I'm married or not? Do you think from my face they understand? You're still stuck up there. He's a mental case. His name is also so weird. Santoshan. Or it's not like that, dear. People come to me for cold, cough, and varied other things. This one is a little weird, yeah. Do you know he talks to me about changing his heart and all? It's a psycho's period going on. Maybe he's a psycho. How he must have understood that my husband is so lovable. Dear, you know everything about me and my husband, right? Come on, dear. You again started. He also used to say a lot of things. That he'll be with me all his life. He needs me a lot. You were also no less, na, my dear. I really miss him. Come on, Anju. All this is past. Why are you thinking about it and getting irritated so much? Calling people from my family and relatives did not make any difference. Eventually, we had a divorce and got separated. Anju, just stop it, dear. It's too much now. Listening to you, I'm really irritated. I'm going. Bye. Huh? You're leaving? Yeah. Okay, bye. Please listen. What happened, dear? I think he's a thief. Oof, oh, you again started. Maybe somebody really has cheated on him. Now you see. No matter what it is, I'll find out the truth only. Enough is enough. Being with him, I think you're also getting mad. You can leave now. Okay, then bye. Checkup is done. Let the reports come out. Then we can change your heart. Okay, Santoshan? So now is Santoshan Santoshan or not?
Okay.
It might take little longer for the reports to come out. Until then, do you have some work?
Me? No, I'm absolutely fine.
Can we go out for a coffee? If you really want.
Then who will check other patients, huh?
That I'll arrange
Oh.
someone. I don't feel like working today. Also, I have a headache today.
Headache? Really? Let's go for lunch then.
Little headache. Let's leave. Come on. Why, Santoshan? Did you lie to me?
What? Eh? I'm not lying.
Stop it now. Stop acting. There must be some reason for all your problems, right? Why don't you tell me the truth? Why are you hiding from me? You know I'm a doctor, right?
Oh, that's the reason. Now I know why you are here with me.
Stop kidding. Please tell me the truth, Santoshan.
What should I say now?
Please.
Okay, there is a reason. But try to understand, I can't tell you.
You are a very big liar.
Anju, I can explain you. But I don't know how to say. I can't express myself. I don't care what others are thinking about me. People are saying anything about me. I just really don't care about them. I just want you to trust me.
Okay, Santosh. You can think of me to be your friend. If I know the truth, it'll become easier for me to treat you. If I know your history, it'll become easier for me to treat you.
No one can cure me. You just leave me alone. I'm going now. Take care of yourself. Bye-bye.
Santoshan, please sit down, Santoshan. Please sit down. You talk about changing your heart, which is absolutely weird and nonsense. You also know it will not happen. Whom are you making a fool? Yourself or me? Tell me, Santoshan.
To me. I can't lie to anyone. So I just lie to myself. Now please don't ask anything. Sorry, I made you emotional too. These all things are just right inside us. This fear, arrogant feelings, these all things are right inside us. So I always keep my feelings inside me.
Dear Santoshan, it's not the way you are thinking. Try to understand the situation and people. Just think about it, please. From your things, I feel there's something really wrong.
By the way, doctor, you know what? I think you are also a writer.
Nothing like that, dear. I'm not an artist. Each one of us goes through something or the other in life. Even I had lost my heart. But that's okay. That's how life is. And life must go on. I understand that.
Uh-huh, you also have a past. You can share with me. I just like love stories.
Oh ho. Just leave that desire. I know how to keep secrets. You're not the only one, okay? Just as you and I can keep secrets. If you want to know anything from me, before that you have to tell me everything about yourself. If you tell me everything about yourself, then maybe even I'll tell you the truth.
Okay, so I can wait for you. Someone told the truth. A coffee can change your mood.
Yeah. Today's day was really nice.
Hmm.
Okay, Santoshan. I think we should leave now. See you tomorrow in the hospital. I'll tell you one thing. It was really nice meeting you and talking to you.
In doctor list, you are the first who is my friend.
After a long time, I am so much at peace and happy. I've started loving myself. I just want to see Santoshan at peace and happy. I am also alone and same is with him. If we both come together, life will be fun. Our life will become meaningful and beneficial for both of us. I'll call him and tell him everything about myself, my feelings. I must tell him how much I love him.